Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm here on behalf of Jeremy Dewitte.
And for the state, Florida. Okay, give me one moment to pull the file up. Just a second. The case up. All right, 4169. Before I begin, Mr. Ledan, did you wish to say anything?
No, Your Honor, we're just entering a notice of appearance on behalf of Mr. Dewitte. I've been tendered a copy of the warrant paperwork, which doesn't really do me much good other than telling me there's a warrant. So I'm operating in a bit of a bind here, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dewitte, you've been arrested on a warrant wherein a court has already found probable cause for failure to comply with reporting requirements. Your bond is $2,500. Mr. Valance is standing from the state. Mr. Valance.
There are 3 open cases.
We're unable to hear him, Your Honor. I apologize. I can't hear the state.
If you can start from the very beginning, Mr. Valance, and speak directly into the microphone.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Dewitte has 3 open cases. Based on the probable cause found in the warrant for this case, the state's moving to revoke bond in those 3 cases. I may place the case numbers on the record.
Okay, before you do that, I note that in the affidavit for the arrest warrant in this case that the offense dates are September 29th and October 7th of 2023. I just wanted to make sure that the cases in which you're seeking bond revocation would have been on bond prior to those dates.
I did check the dates of each of those cases. The date that I remembered seeing was November, so I may be off. If I could just have a moment to confirm. I know that some of those cases did occur prior to that date, but I don't want to.
We can tell.
Okay, one moment.
You say yeah.
236, which is an Osceola County case. The events are alleged to have occurred on November 22nd.
I can't hear the state again, Judge. I'm sorry.
In case number 23CF236, which is an Osceola County case, the events are alleged to have occurred on November 22nd, 2022.
When did he bond on that?
That's what Mr. Arkendo's indicating to me here, Your Honor, as well. It appears that those would have been cases that were reviewed, and he should not be revoked based on that.
I see the July 3rd bond date for the 23CF236, but Your Honor, I think it's certainly possible that I may be incorrect, but based on what I'm seeing, there wasn't
right. No motions have been filed to date, correct?
I apologize. What was
no motions have been filed to date. Right. Okay, well, in the absence of any definitive information, the bond will be $2,500 in case 24CF469. This does not preclude the state from promptly taking whatever action it deems is appropriate, but that will be the bond. And as a condition of your, Mr. Dewitte, you must comply with all reporting requirements within 24 hours of your release.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Thank you.
That's all I have before the court, Your Honor. Thank you for taking me first. May I be excused.
Sir, have a good day.
Jeremy just saw Judge Epperson and he was given a $2,500 bond. The arrest happened yesterday, obviously. Jeremy was on the way to Osceola County Sheriff's Office to register. He has to register twice a year, and this was one of the months that he has to register. When he was on his way there, we were talking on the phone, and he was telling me that he wasn't going to bring his phone in with him because he saw Detective Edwards' vehicle and he felt like he might be arrested that day. He'd already been to the sheriff's office the week prior because he had to roll his fingerprints for a court order. He tried to register at the same time that he was rolling his fingerprints, but they told him that he had to make an appointment and to come back the following week, which is what he did. He was supposed to see me after his appointment, and he told me that if I didn't hear from him within the hour, that he was probably in custody. I will have more updates and videos that I'm going to upload about this case and about other cases.